Hello again. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. I always get letters and comments and questions from folks who want to know, what can I do to perk up the flowers in my garden? Well, one of the really easy way is to use Epsom salt. So here's a quick 2-minute, how do you use Epsom salts to perk up your plants? So how do you perk up the roots of roses and other things like salvias, fruit trees, just about everything that you grow in your garden? You want to take care of the roots. My favorite way to perk up roots is with some Epsom salts. So Epsom salts, and this is Dr. Teal's. You buy these in the big bag at Costco of all places, but any Epsom salts will do. These are a great source of magnesium, and magnesium serves two vital components of your soil. One, it helps get the roots open and really pulling in the phosphorus and nitrogen, which in turn makes the whole plant happy. And in places like Southern California, where we have high pH soils and high pH water, it helps lower the pH in the soil, which in turn helps the plant. So I just like to get a big old 8-pound bag of Epsom salts, and basically for big mature roses like this, you want to use about 2 tablespoons, which is about what this is, and you just kind of toss it on the plant. Now make sure before you put it on, you water the soil before you start mixing it in. But basically, for smaller ones, you do about 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, 2 for the big guys, and you just toss it all around and then water this all in. So again, this is how you perk up those plants, especially in the season. You can also do this around bare root season, because again, this is a great way to perk up roots. Well, again, get some Epsom salts to help with your garden. Well, there you go. Try some Epsom salts next time your garden needs a little perking up. Really easy to use, easy to find in lots of places. There's also a link in the comment section that you can order them on Amazon through this YouTube channel. So check that out. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks so much for watching. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying, hey, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks so much for watching.